If you have not already got into vibe coding, this is the time to get into vibe coding, and I'll tell you why. First, it was lovable, then it was bolt new, and then we have cursor, we have Roo, and now we have Firebase from Google itself. All of these vibe coding platforms allow you to create applications by just prompting and having live applications just from an idea. How cool is that? And today we are going to be looking at Firebase. Now, whether you are a non-coder, non-IT person, if you have an idea, you can translate it into action using this. And so we're going to give Firebase Studio from Google itself a spin. And what is Firebase? What's new in Firebase? Well, Firebase, first of all, is allowing you to make your own app the best it can be with Firebase and generative AI. Now you can prototype, build, run modern AI-powered applications. Users love with Firebase, a platform designed to support you throughout your app development cycle. Now this is backed by Google and trusted by millions of businesses around the world. Now there is a lot of things that is available on FireCloud, which is in 2025 you can essentially have agentic development environment to help you prototype, build, and manage full stack AI apps. Now in preview, it's in preview mode. The new app testing agent, part of the app distribution Gemini powered agent that generates, manages, and execute test cases for you. Now you can do it with languages GenKit, Python, Go, and there are several other things. You can also do data connect, and in general also host the app. So all in all, everything that you need to build in an app is over here. Is this a true killer of all these other apps? Let's check it out. I don't know. I'm just exploring it as much as you're exploring it. And let me know in the comment section what is going to happen next and is there a right potential with it. So I'm just going to click on get started and let's see what we're going to do with it. Okay, try Firebase Studio. Okay, there it goes. So cool. I accept. I'm going to say confirm, and there we have it. Okay, so we have the platform. It says hello Kunaal Naik, what do you want to build? And let's say I want to build something new. Okay, so let's say I want to build a application, data application, just like a Power BI dashboard where I plug in the data and it creates a dashboard. So I'm just going to build an application that can take in data from various sources and build a dashboard like Power BI, and that's it. It should have KPI cards and then charts to follow along. Okay, so this looks good. I'm just a prototype with AI, and let's see what it's going to do right now. Okay, something is happening. Okay, there we have it. For a moment I thought it's not happening something. Okay, so it's saying, okay, building an app, here's a plan. Take a look below and customize as needed, or if you are ready, select the prototype this app. Okay, so data enter allows input data manually through a form or upload CSV, KPI cards, display that, generate charts, AI insights. Okay, color is chosen. Yes, absolutely. Just prototype this app. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but it's definitely creating some of the files that you can see on the right hand side. Okay, and I think I'm just vibing right now. That is so cool. It's also doing the cards, the components. I've never written a code such as to build this kind of application, and I don't know what's happening here right now, quite frankly, but I think this is cool. Now what I think is going to happen is, yes, definitely there are a lot of pros and cons to this. I definitely don't have idea what it is making. If I knew it, I would be better able to prompt or give some ideas around it, but I'm hoping what it's trying to do here is that it's using the best principles of coding and doing these things very nicely. It's a matter of time of me understanding what this structure is and then be able to prompt or course correct if I have to do something around it. Okay, so there are different files. It created around 15 plus files, and as you can see here, I have the input data, or I can choose a file. Let me just choose some file here, and let me just choose this. Okay, and chosen the file. Okay, well, it's not doing. Let me see if it can generate some insights. Just 2 issues. Okay, what I'm going to do is let me just copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Let's see. Okay, so it did some correction. I'm going to do, there's one more issue, so let me just do that. Okay, again, I'm going to copy this. Fix error. Okay, so I think so it's going to make some errors while doing stuff, but definitely we are going to fix some of those errors. Okay, it looks like it does not have any error. Let me just upload the file again. Okay, so this time it's not generating anything here. Total rows, total columns. Use the number metrics as KPI cards and always summarize by sum or average depending on the metric. So let's see this. Let me see if that correction can be made. So there is no metrics coming here, so it is trying to do make that change. I wanted only the numerical metrics coming as the KPI cards. Let's see if it can do that. Try again. And some of this, quite frankly, it's like, when you're making something like this from a data science perspective, absolutely, I mean, this is just a trial, but you can keep making changes and see what it can do. Okay, again, it has some issues. It's having the same issue again, so I'm just going to put that here and do again enter. Let's see what it does. Okay, no issues again. So let me just upload this one here again. Again, there are 2 issues. Okay, there is a Google Gen API key that we have to provide. Okay, so I'm going to go there and first let's provide that key. I'm going to go to Google AI Studio. Let me go there. And I'm going to just get a key here. Get a key. Let's say that. Copy it. And Google underscore Gen AI underscore API underscore key is equal to this. Okay, looks like it's done. Let's see if there is anything else. Okay, this error again. For some reason, it keeps repeating one of these errors. Okay, fair enough. Let me choose the data again. Okay, yeah, let me put that. Okay, the Gemini keys, I have to paste it there wherever it has given me. Apparently I gave it wrong. I'm just going to give here and say continue. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Okay, says fix detects an error. Okay, yeah. Go ahead, do that. Okay, somehow getting this error again and again. Okay, there is some problem with this. Let's see if it's trying to correct it. Okay, it says one more error. Let's see if still this works. Okay, it's not this thing. Okay, let me just attach. Okay, this is still not working. I tried. Okay, maybe this is not working. I will give another try. So apparently dashboards and data, still long way to go in terms of this thing. It couldn't create that dashboard much more easily. Let me see that again. Some error that is available. Okay, anyway, so I think what I can do is instead of this, what I will do is I will try to create some other dashboard. So let's see if we can do that. We'll go back to Firebase Studio. Let's skip that and then go and create another one. This time we'll do a simple form. Create a simple data entry form where the user collects the date of birth, where the form collects name, date of birth, location and time of birth, then predicts then provides a horoscope. Let's say provides a horoscope using Google Gemini Flash model. Let's say enter. Okay, this should be simple enough now. So we tried a data app, did not work out. Let's see if taking 4 different inputs and then giving a horoscope app will work out. So let's see if that is possible. It went blank again. So Cosmic Insights, data entry form, horoscope generation, display form validations. Okay, let's prototype this app. Okay, now this is, I'm really excited about this one. I'm able to provide the key this time. I have the key ready, so I can just pop it in whenever it asks me. Okay, this should be an easy one. It's a simple form entry. Does this, we can do this easily on Streamlight and be able to get some output out of it. Okay, definitely don't try stuff with data if you don't know what's going in the background. With a simple form fill, it should be a lot more easier and you should be able to do it simple forms like this. Right? A lot of companies and small businesses would benefit from this simple form collections and giving output. But hopefully, let's see if this is going to do a good job or not. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment, what it can do, what it cannot do. But I'm having some great optimism towards this particular use case at least. Okay, finally something is happening. It's loading up. Yes, absolutely, I have it. Apparently there is some Google error hydration because server init didn't match the client. Maybe on the client this will happen if whatever it is, server client branch if whatever it is, and also happen if the branch is installed, which means the HTML, this particular thing. Okay, so some issue is available here. Let's ignore this for now. I'm going to put the key here, continue. Okay, let's see if this works now. Okay, my name is Kunaal Naik. Okay, I'm going to give my birth as in January, 15 January 2020. This should be good. Location, I'm going to say Bangalore. Okay, and time of birth is maybe, let's say 1301. Okay, so get my horoscope. Okay, let's see what it is getting. Capricorn, 14th day of this particular thing, and this is excellent type. Okay, this works. This definitely works. And then I think so. Yeah. So this definitely is working. It's taking in the key, and it's able to take in the inputs, generate a response out of it. Maybe we can say, okay, get a detailed output or section by section output, and and get the output. But this looks good. Like maybe I can just say, hey, change the entry on the the entry on the left hand panel and the output on the right hand. Let me see if it can do that. Collect the inputs on a left side panel and provide a detailed horoscope on the right. Provide section wise, right? Career, relationship, etc. Okay. And let's see if it can make this change. So what I'm telling is shift these things to the left hand side panel, and get the horoscope on the right hand side and give section wise response. Now it has the key, it should be able to do it. Hoping it is able to do that. Okay, it meshed up the structure here for some reason. Okay, let's see. Same problem for some reason. Why, I don't know what's happening with that. What I'm going to do is I will take a screenshot of this, fix the alignment. Let's see if it can read it and understand it. Okay, this is definitely, it will be a lot cooler if it was fixed. Okay, somehow it's not able to fix it. Still not fixed. Okay, still not fixed. Probably open this in a new browser, it will fix it. Let me know. I don't know. Let's check. Okay, still not fixing it. Let me just again give it a shot. Just going to pick out again another random date here. Let's see that. Location Bangalore. Okay, this should be good. Let's say it's generating something. Okay, it's able to get this, but career wise, relationship, it's not getting it here. Okay, so yeah, we have to get good at prompting and getting this application. But I think so, this is a great start. It will take a couple of hours to try around and fix and get this particular output very nicely. But I think so, never before. I feel never before power. Essentially, I don't know about you, but I think so, we can have great potential in terms of just spending time with it to understand how we can prompt better and then get better output. But definitely, I see a lot of potential in terms of getting ideas out, talking to business stakeholders, talking to developers and showing them the idea working and be able to do it. That's going to be a great way. Full-time development on this, I'm yet to comment. I'll spend more time. You also let me know what are some of the things that I can do, and we can move forward. But I hope I was able to give you some view about how vibe coding does. Definitely not perfect. As you can see, it is real. There are some issues with it. You have to spend time to do stuff with around it, but definitely worth spending time. If you do not know coding at all, I would love that you spend so much time on this. Anyways, thank you for watching this particular video. Let me know what else I can make, and let me know if vibe coding is actually going to replace coders or not.